I actually planned to do a different video this week, but then this happened.
Earlier this week, I'm going back to the gym. It's been over a month since I last went, but I'm gonna get back into it. You see this over here? This is muscle waiting to happen. Right over here. I keep a mental checklist of all the things I need to bring with me when I go to the gym. But if you're not good at that and you want an app that can help you, check out this. Bag, towel, water bottle, phone, earphones. Earphones. Oh, for f***'s sakes. If there's one thing I hate having to purchase, it's earphones. And now this pair stopped working and won't charge. I checked online and I'm not the only one that got juiced. Is it that hard to make a pair of headphones that won't break after a few months? Computer says no. According to the folks at Reddit r/buyitforlife, there are wired headphones that can last for a really long time, but not wireless ones. And that makes sense. As far as I'm aware, there are no wireless headphones on the market that have replaceable batteries. And I need wireless earphones. Well, I guess I'm going shopping. My requirements are simple. Stable Bluetooth connection, okay sound, sweat-proof, and doesn't break. Meh, too expensive considering I can't replace the battery. Those don't look like they'll stay comfortably in my ear. Getting closer. Ah, these look good. They look sturdy, aren't going to break the bank, and the lack of flappy wires is really appealing. Here's a link to them if you're living in China and want to buy them. Shit! My old headphones are working again. Well, I guess this is a video on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Headphones while they last. The problem was that I was supposed to use the included USB charging cable. Standard cables just don't work. The thing that sold me on these headphones is when you put them together like this, they turn off automatically, and of course, take them apart and they turn back on again. I've known this technology existed on earphones for a while, but this is the first pair that I've actually owned. They do everything that I need them to do, so let's take them to the gym.
This is about as far as I can take you. I don't think people in the gym would appreciate me running around with a camera filming them, so I'll see you now. I'm done. Now I'm gonna go die.
Would I suggest buying these earphones? No. Not after the complaints I've seen online. If and when these headphones die, I'll be sure to make a video about it. If you own a pair of these headphones, let me know what you think of them in the comments. It's a pity I didn't get to review the Plantronics headphones, but I'm sure that will happen in a future video. Speaking of future videos, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Beefcake!